All right, this is part 3, the closer, and if you made it here, buckle up, because this is where we stop talking about signs and symbols outside of you and start talking about what it means when 47 is wired into you. 47 is the frequency of transition, not just for timelines, not just for the collective, but for the people who came in built for change. If 47 keeps showing up for you, if it stalks your life the way it stalks mine, if it's literally embedded in your physical reality, like your address, your birth codes, or your license plate, you see it everywhere. It's a sign trying to catch your attention. You are part of the shift. People with a 47 frequency aren't observers, they're catalysts. They walk into a room and the energy recalibrates. They show up in someone's life and the person either rises or fucking crashes. Nothing stays the same around them. You'll notice a pattern. You can't stay around stagnation. You can't stay around fake. You can't stay around delusion. You can't stay around collapsed people. You can't stay around dead end timelines. Your spirit forces the purge before your mind ever agrees to it. I'm living through it. That's 47. Your presence triggers endings, not because you're destructive, but because you carry the frequency of next. And here's the part nobody tells you. People with the 47 code wake up early, years early, sometimes fucking decades early, while everyone else is still sleeping, still looping, still repeating, still clinging to older versions of themselves. You're already shedding identities like snakeskin. We are in the snake year, 9-year death closing cycles. You're already burning through karmic layers. You're already stepping into roles before the collective even knows the role fucking exists. 47 is an acute number. It's a soul assignment. It's a mission number. It means you end what no one else can end. You walk away from what no one else can leave. You cut cords others spend lifetimes trapped in. Where's my generational curse breakers? You survive timelines other people drown in. You rise when the grid collapses. You rebuild when everything burns down around you. You stand alone because you were built to. I'm gonna cry. People with the 47 code are the ones who transition first so others can transition later. Personal shift, collective shift, identity shift. That's the whole arc. So if the number keeps tapping you on the shoulder, if your life keeps collapsing and rebuilding, if everything in you feels like you're ending a version of yourself every 6 months, it's because you're not meant to fit into the old grid. You're meant to help bring in the new one. That's the 47 frequency. And that's why it's been calling your name, the change bringers. We had to go through some hard motherfucking shit to get here. We are the light bringers. We are the change bringers. We had to walk through the fucking dark first, alone, scared, and showing up every day to get to where we're at, for this point, to this culmination of the timeline collectively. So this is me stepping into my role and teaching and guiding those who were confused when they woke up, just like I was. So I hope what I share inspires someone out there, helps you along your journey, because, you know, this simulation kept giving me reasons to fucking stay down and kept knocking me down. And I woke up every fucking day and found a reason to fucking show up for myself. So if I can do it, you can fucking do it. 420 as I end that. Nothing's fucking random in this shit.